First nice tooth of the day. Angus Steiden. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Got two teeth down here. There's one. Not too bad. And then the other one, let's see, I just saw it, there it is. Right there. Oh. Not anything even close to as good as the first one. There is a tooth in the layer. Right there. Oh, it's a mako. Some feeding damage. Yeah. There, weaseling.
We got an Angus Steiden.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Right
Oh, yeah. Please be whole. Oh, the tip is...
Oh.
Boy, that was
a beaut. Just...
Let me focus.
Damage.
There it is. Yep. That is a whale tooth. The enamel is busted off of it, but it's got the whole root. How odd is that? Very interesting. There's something cool.
Yes.
It's like a mammal bone of some kind. I'm guessing some kind of digit, maybe from a seal or a whale or something like that. Pretty cool. Look at this. Not often you see two big teeth in the same view screen. That's not a bad mako. Set that right there. Ooh. Oh, it's got one little ding on the root. Man. Oh well, that's not bad for only bending down once. There's a tooth. Check this out. That's a great white. It's not a complete great white. Guess what that is, friends? Yup. A megalodon tooth. I am on a roll with these things lately. Man. Oh, baby. Look at this great white.
That's sick.
Oh, man.
That's nice.
Very nice tooth.